Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video in my 2004 WR450F, we are going to pull the flywheel off, our magneto wheel, whatever you want to call it, to see what's going on behind it. We have some issues, I think, with the chain binding up, and we need to determine if that's the case or not, if there's something else going on. What we got is the special puller right here that we're going to go ahead and install. I got two pullers for the bike. This one, I'm gonna need this one. So once I remove that nut, you see the big threads in behind there. So what you're gonna see are the threads in there. There actually is a washer, and now I go ahead and pull that off. It's gonna go on. Just a little finicky. Want to make sure you get some good threads. Thread that in by hand. So I got a 7/8 wrench to hold it. 17 mil. There we go. It popped. So now we can pull this off. We gotta take that flywheel key off, and I'll be able to get behind. Let's see if I can grab it. There we go. So mine's a 2004, and it uses a 33 mil puller, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next one. Take care.